The Bitcoin Golden Cross is happening right now, and in this exact video I will be talking about this exact Golden Cross, what this means for the price action of Bitcoin, and much more important stuff. I will go over my trades, I will talk about the price action of Bitcoin, and much more. So don't forget to slap up that like button. Can we once again smash it back above 400? That will be absolutely incredible. And with that being said, let me jump straight away towards the content. And of course, once looking at the imminent short term on the 1 hour time frame, we are still holding up towards the orange box of support we've been talking about. Like you can see, this is a very important level of support for Bitcoin, and so far we have been experiencing only bounces from off this level. And just like yesterday, while we were coming down very quickly towards this level, we have seen 2 successful bounces, and currently on the 1 hour time frame we could potentially maybe see that we're creating a double bottom on that 1 hour time frame if we do continue to bounce towards the upside. And if we really break above the top side above 23,050, we could potentially maybe see a breakout above this range, and maybe shift around the trend on that imminent short term for Bitcoin. So that is going to be important to look at. On the 4 hourly time frame, my approach on the market is still the same as yesterday. As soon as we do break below the support box, then I'm targeting levels lowers around the $21,000. As long as we're holding up towards the support box, things are looking okay here. So yeah, that is basically the strategy how I will be trading it. If I'm looking at the CME gap, we can currently see the CME gap is yet so far not filled up, and we can see that we already had a small little push towards the upside yesterday, filled up a partial bit of the CME gap, but so far we still got a CME gap above us on 23.2k to 23.6k for the price action of Bitcoin right now, and that is definitely important to pay attention towards. I still think it's likely to fill up the CME gap. If not, it's probably because we broke below the important level of support. On the 4 hourly time frame, you can see that we are still creating this rising wedge, and we officially broke down of this rising wedge, and the breakdown target for the downside of this rising wedge is somewhere around the $21,000. What is also around this very important support box of this previous range on Bitcoin right here. If we do break below the 4 hour support, that is the point where I will be looking for this price target around $21,000 of the rising wedge. If not, I'm not going to be looking at this level, because I personally think that this horizontal support is as important to look at as the rising wedge itself. So that is exactly how I will be trading it. It's very simple, my strategy, and this is basically how I'm looking at the market right now here. But if I am going to be looking at the daily time frame, at the 200 daily moving average and the 50 daily moving average, we can right now see that the 50 daily moving average is crossing the 200, what means that we officially have confirmed a golden cross on the Bitcoin daily time frame. And this is very good news. I mean, I want to be straight away pointing out here, the golden cross is a lacking indicator, and like you can see here, in the past we got this signal here. We got it right here in September 2021. The moment we got the golden cross was actually in bearish momentum. The moment that we were bullish was before the golden cross happened. So the momentum in towards the cross was bearish, and the moment Bitcoin crossed bullish, we had like a small bullish relief for 2 or 3 days, and then we dumped towards the downside. So that's likely to expect once again some small bullish relief due to the fact we're crossing bullish. So also, if I'm looking back here, we crossed also bullish. We had a positive phase here, and then once we were getting the golden cross, we had bearish momentum, but on the day we crossed, we saw a big pump towards the upside. Also again, very interesting to see. Looking then to 2019 bear market, we had of course bullish momentum, and then once we had the bullish momentum leading in towards the golden cross, we actually had a dump in towards the golden cross. But what is interesting to see, that basically all the times we do get the golden cross, maybe not on the short term we tend to pump here, because here we dumped on the short term, but usually on the longer term we tend to see an uptrend getting formed here, and that is also what I'm expecting right now here. Maybe today could be a very good bounce here for Bitcoin, but Bitcoin can still dump towards the downside and still be looking good, and still continue towards the upside for the bigger picture. The golden cross is happening right now. It is a lacking indicator, but definitely this is a very beautiful signal that is right now flashing in the market of Bitcoin. Currently, I'm still long on Bitcoin. If we do have that crash down here to $21,000, I'm going to be adding $20,000 towards my Bitcoin long position, what I've been waiting for quite a while right now. I am definitely planning to take some profits on this trade, and I am planning to take some profits on this trade somewhere around $25,000. So make sure to stay up to date for that one right now here. And if you're subscribed to the channel, you will definitely stay up to date about once I'm opening new trades, because also this trade, I showed it exactly once I opened it. I showed exactly once I was in a loss. And I right now am also exactly showing you once I am making profit. So if you're interested in trading yourself, you can check out Bybit. If you sign up an account using the link in the description, you can currently claim a $30,000 deposit bonus. So make sure to check it out. It's only valid if you sign up a new account using that link in the description right now. Living in the US, no worry, because you can also use BitGet. BitGet is basically the same as Bybit, but only it allows you to trade from the US without KYC, without VPN. So make sure to check it out. And they're also offering a 20k deposit bonus if you sign up an account using the link in the description. Then real quickly, I need to talk about something very crazy that's currently playing out here, because I think really this move that we're currently having in the market is very similar towards that 2019 bear market recovery run-up. You can see in the 2019 bear market recovery run-up, of course, we consolidated very long on the lower side. Also look at how fast we dropped towards the downside and how fast we recovered. Well, we look at what currently is happening. We dropped so fast and we recovered so fast. Very interesting to see, right? So currently, what you can see is that it was forming somewhat of a broadening wedge right here. That's what it is currently doing. And in 2019, it also formed a broadening wedge before breaking out eventually. If you're looking at the moves here, we had like 3 impulsive moves and 3 big corrections. I can right now really say here that this maybe was the first move, and I will more likely say this is the first move, this is the second move, and this has been the third impulsive move. And now are we at this stage? Now we are at this stage. If we are following the same path as 2019, we are currently getting ready for another massive run up towards the upside. I mean, if I have to believe 2019, it is definitely currently getting ready for another run up, and that is actually pretty exciting to see here. So we are creating same broadening wedges, we're creating similar price structure, and if I have to believe what happened at that point, and if it's going to copy, we're probably going to see something like this playing out for Bitcoin right now here. So I still think that we're at very interesting points in the market where there's a lot of opportunities to be buying some Bitcoin. You can also see we are currently still trading at horizontal support. I think Bitcoin is probably not likely going to be breaking down. If we do break down, we could go in with a shorting position, but if we do go in with a long right now here, that's what I'm also doing with some other accounts. I have opened a long on this support box right here. And as soon as we do break below the support box, we confirm a break below. That is the point where I'm going to go in with a short position and of course close all my long positions. That is just the way how I'm currently trading the range. So make sure that you make your own strategy right now as well on how to trade this range here. There are many opportunities, and Bitcoin is just getting right now ready for another massive move here. Whether it's going to be up or down, Bitcoin is getting ready. The golden cross got confirmed. So this is it for me on today's update video. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to slap all that like button on today's update video. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.